Go on, my people. Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. We're up on the road right now. I do a quick little video walk and talk, you know what I say? Yeah. First, I do one of them videos for the channel. I'm going to show it go. So, you can let me know in the description. You feel me? Yeah, my people. You see me? Yeah, I know people. I almost stepping on little rocks a while ago. Feel me?
You got going on, yeah?
for 350 Erie Avenue. You know where that at?
Who?
350 Erie Avenue.
Erie Avenue right here. You know, Erie.
Yeah, no.
I don't know
I don't know
what
where
350
the
is.
number from. I'm trying to find it. Thank you, man.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, dog and hump.
Yeah.
You have it, right?
Started stream.
You probably can ask somebody over there what's the address now. Yeah, you can look up on these signs and see if you see the address for none of them, because I don't really know where 350 at. You know what I'm saying?
But this is a 1400. What you say?
So this is 1400.
And that 13. So that further down that.
Way down yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, alright, no problem. They have another streets, people. See me? Make sure when you get the video I like, you know. Yeah. Quick little video, people. Making a note saying I'm there in the street, you know what I say. So I hope you enjoy the short little walk and talk with Jamaica vibes, you feel me? Make sure you big up on yourself, you know? Just a short little video for the time being. More videos to come, you feel me, people? So you have a blessed day, you see me? And big up on yourself.